Okay guys, so I want to bring to you another side hustle, Amazon Flex. This is another opportunity where you can work with Amazon and make money on the side. Here they're showing the different shifts or blocks available. This is for Saturday, Sunday. They've got a lot of shifts available right here. And all you got to do, if you have an Amazon account, just sign up with your Amazon account or on the email that you use for your Amazon account, or you can go ahead and create one. If we got a $90 block, and then scroll down some more, still having shifts and blocks available, especially since Prime Day just came to an end. There's gonna be a lot of opportunities for you to make some money on the side. Okay, and some people do this full-time as well. Here we go, still seeing offers. Wow, this is a lot. And if I say show, they're showing for Daytona as well. So I'm in Florida, so it's going to show me most of the offers in Florida. Depending on where you are, you'll see offers in your area. And right here, if I should scroll all the way up, which I'm doing right now, it's 36 of 37 offers available. All right, and earlier it was showing me 47. So go ahead if this is something that you think you would be interested in. There's no reporting to any boss. You play your music, wind your window down, and you go ahead and deliver packages. Happy side hustle hunting, guys. Bye.